जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। कि जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। कि नोटों में भी लिपट कर, सोने में सिमट कर मरे हैं कई, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता, कोई कफन नहीं होता। A very pleasant good morning to honorable chief guest, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Vikas Bikku from Holy Public School. Today is 26 January, our 23rd Republic Day. A day filled with patriotism, great affection and respect towards our motherland India. This feeling awakens every Indian's mind. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Do you know what is Republic? What is the meaning of Republic? Republic is a system in which a country belongs to the people, the government belongs to the people, and democracy is the greatest means to restoring this type of system. And the democracy is for the people, by the people, and of the people. And I am very proud to share with you all that India is the largest democracy in the world. For being a republic country, it needs a constitution which is made by many elected representatives. The Constitution of India was passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. And that is why 26 November is celebrated as National Constitution Day in India. But that day, our constitution was just passed, not implemented. And on a historic date, 26 January 1950, our constitution came in force. And from that day, we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day every year in India. India country blessed with so many personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Swami Vivekanand, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and many more. We are blessed with them and their quality are under us. Once when Dr. Kalam was asked what is the major strength and weakness of India, do you know what he answered? He answered the youth people. The 261 million youth people are the major strength of India. And weakness of India? The vision. Because a nation dies without any vision. And I think vision is the only quality lacking in the younger generation today. And India has a very prestigious position on the world map. And it is the duty of the youth people of India to maintain it and to take our country at greater height. I salute all those freedom fighters and soldiers who sacrifice our life for freedom of our country. And I would also salute soldiers and pay my heartiest tribute to soldiers who are still working on the borders and are still doing on the borders to continue this freedom. Let's remember India royal and golden heritage, and we proud we are the part of India. Thank you so much for giving such a beautiful country. And I would end my speech some thoughts that कि कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कि कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है, कि कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कि कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा क्योंकि नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। कि ना सरकार मेरी है ना रौब मेरा है, ना सरकार मेरी है ना रौब मेरा है, ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है। मुझे बस इतनी सी बात की गर्व है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।